from this Ribat in the tower. From the up, they exchange the signals with the Ribat of Monastir. With the Ribat of Source, they exchange the signal if something like coming wrong. They will come from here, bro. To the stairs. We go up. You are recording. Can you be first?
I am recording. Yes.
We don't. I'll be like covering all the photos. Like as a kitchen, where they prepare the foods on it. Some of it is closed because they're worried that it can fall down.
Yeah, that wouldn't be good.
Sorry?
The wall falling down.
Yeah. For me, it's good to take photos. No, we go from here. Let's cover these rooms.
Discover the rooms.
Yeah. Close to the place where they can make like some small weddings, small like activities of people like meeting here, having some music. And when we enter to this room, it's a place where from there like they open the fire by the camp. You see? This small, oh, be careful, this small window that allow you to see who's coming from outside, and the people who were outside, they can't just look straight. This is like a maze. Good. All of these rooms are related to each other and make you like, can you arrive to the other floor? Because sometimes the wall like the wall can stay for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So they can't bring the foods.
Yeah.
Like they can't go out with a lot of like bombs and things like that. They can easily from these floors relate to each other. This floor have food or water or guns or anything like that can help them. They can pass it all over the floors. See, this is another place, like stairs. From there they can come up. Or for example, someone entering from here, they don't know that he cannot find like storage that they can carry him at the place. And from this part, brother. For example, these ones, they make these small windows for bringing the water, bringing the gas, bringing any food, like passing here, there. Can be towed into the tower.
قريب قريب تعبني
I thought that you were next to me. I was turning. I found you still there. Later we'll visit this museum there. Good spot. But it was a place special for the king and queen. And they have like a place underground. When it's like a lot of war, they can go underground of this small in this place. After that, we come back there where the tower, and you see the cannon that it was used in the past in the war.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
If you want, we can start from there and you come back here as you want.
We'll go this way. Look at that kid up there.
What?
Him climbing on the wall.
Oh, it's great. Go from here.
Go up that first one. Yeah, that's high enough for me.
That's enough for us.
Yeah.
Totally. Want to have more photos here? There are more higher here. More beautiful photos from here.
هذيك تاخذها فيها عالمية.
عايز.
اطلع منه. تاخذها تصوير روعة. بالك بالك لباس لباس.
Totally.